Thank you for volunteering to collect water quality samples for our 2021 lead and copper compliance monitoring study. These samples must be collected after a 6-hour stagnation period where no household water has been used. Begin by lining up your sample bottles, beginning with number 1 through number 5, in order next to your sink, and take off all of your caps. Before collecting your first sample, grab sample bottle number 1 and place it directly underneath your faucet. Fully open the cold water tap and fill your bottle to the fill line. Without overflowing or missing any water, slide bottle number 2 under the stream. Repeat this process with bottles 3 through 5 and cap all bottles when you're finished. Once you have finished collecting your samples, please replace the caps on all of your bottles. A representative from the Water Bureau will pick up your samples on the date specified on your instruction sheet. Please make sure that your instruction sheet has been filled out with the required information and returned with your sample kit. The start of your stagnation period is the date and time that you stopped using your water the night before you collected your samples. Please record the date and time that you collected your first sample. Place all samples, along with your instruction sheet, in the box that your kit came in. Once you have done this, you can place the whole box outside your front door. In the event that you missed your sample collection date, or if you overfill your bottles while you are collecting your samples, please call, email, or text the number provided at the end of this video. You can expect to receive your results within 15 business days from when your samples were received back at the lab. You will receive a written report, and if necessary, a representative from the Water Bureau will call you with your results. Thank you for participating in this study.